You think ignoring her is the way to make her feel your absence? Let me tell you something. Silence might confuse her for a while, but emotional power makes her feel something much deeper. You want to hit her harder? Then stop playing the predictable game of going ghost and start playing the one she never saw coming, showing her that you've outgrown the need for her validation. At first, she might expect you to disappear. She's been conditioned to believe that men sulk, go quiet, and come crawling back. So when you cut contact, she may even brace herself for it. It's familiar. But what truly shakes her core is seeing you become completely unfazed. That's what she doesn't expect. When your energy no longer chases, when your emotions no longer orbit around her responses, that's when the real impact begins. Not when you hide, but when you rise. You see, women are emotionally intuitive. She doesn't need to see you texting to know you're still emotionally attached. She can feel it in the silence, sense it in the way you watch her stories, in the hesitation you carry. But the moment she looks at you and realizes he's not angry, he's not playing games, he's actually free, that's when her reality shakes. This kind of emotional shift isn't loud, it's calm, it's subtle, but it's powerful. You're no longer reacting, no longer checking, no longer waiting. You've redirected your emotional energy back to yourself. That's the move. That's what makes her stop and think, wait, did I lose him or did he wake up? And trust me, that thought alone burns deeper than being blocked or ignored. Because silence without growth is just avoidance, but silence that's backed by emotional evolution, that's transformation, and that's what she wasn't prepared for. When she senses that your self-worth has grown beyond needing her attention, when she feels that your peace has replaced your need to pursue, she doesn't just lose contact, she loses access. That's the difference. You want to hit her harder than no contact ever could? Let your energy speak for itself. Show her without a word that you're done needing closure, done needing explanations. You don't retreat, you evolve. You don't vanish, you elevate. Because power isn't about who reaches out last. It's about who no longer needs to reach at all. And in that quiet confidence, that inner shift, that steady emotional detachment, she'll feel everything she thought you never could make her feel. Stop chasing her shadow. That's the trap most men fall into, thinking that the more distance she creates, the more you need to show up, prove something, or beg for space in her world. But let me ask you this. When was the last time someone truly valuable had to chase to be noticed? The truth is, the more you pursue, the more you broadcast one thing, she still has power over you. And that alone is why she doesn't feel the loss yet. But here's what shakes her, really shakes her. Your presence without your pursuit. You're out there, you're visible, you're alive, but you're not chasing. You're not texting her at midnight. You're not asking if she misses you, and you're definitely not lingering in her DMs waiting for breadcrumbs. You've flipped the script. You've become the man who isn't hiding but isn't desperate either. And that balance is rare. It's magnetic. You see, women don't crave silence as much as they crave emotional mystery. When you disappear, sure, it gets her curious, but when you stay present, looking better, living better, glowing up, and still don't chase her, that's when the questions start flooding her mind. Why hasn't he reached out? Why does he look so unbothered? Is he talking to someone else? That quiet presence disturbs her comfort far more than complete absence. Let's be honest, most men go no contact and just wait. Wait for her to reach out, wait for her to miss them, wait for her to fold. But you're not here to wait. You're here to lead. You're here to reclaim your energy and live in such a way that even if she sees you across a room or through a screen, she feels the distance emotionally. That's the kind of distance she can't handle, because it tells her you didn't just leave, you elevated. You didn't just walk away, you walked forward. This presence without pursuit creates a contrast she doesn't know how to process. You're in her view, but you're no longer in her grasp. And that burns deeper than any blocked message or ignored call. She can see your life is moving, but without her in the passenger seat, she can feel that your energy isn't trying to prove a point. It's simply free. And that kind of man, he's not just attractive, he's unforgettable. So don't disappear. Don't retreat into silence thinking that distance alone is power. Stay visible. Stay calm. Let her see you, but don't let her feel needed. And that's when she'll realize she lost a man who finally found himself. If you think ignoring her is strength, think again. Emotional immaturity dressed up as silence is not power, it's avoidance. And she sees right through it. What truly hits her, what really shakes her to the core, is when you show emotional control, not emotional withdrawal. It's when you respond, not react. When you carry yourself with calm, not chaos. That's when she realizes you've grown. The thing is, a lot of men confuse detachment with coldness. They go silent, they block her, they act out, thinking that's the way to win back power. But what actually speaks louder than absence is presence with composure. That's when she feels it. That's when her assumptions begin to crumble, because she expected you to lash out, to spiral, to fall apart, but instead you showed her a version of yourself she didn't think existed, one that doesn't beg, doesn't break, and most importantly, doesn't blame. You're no longer the guy trying to fix things or chase clarity. You've reached a level of emotional awareness where peace matters more than control. You're not holding grudges, you're not giving lectures, and you're not silently punishing her. You're simply unmoved and yet fully present, and that subtle shift hits harder than any argument ever could. You see, emotional maturity is rare. It's the ability to hold your own space, to set boundaries without drama, to disengage without resentment. And when a woman experiences that, it forces her to reflect, not because you hurt her, but because you didn't try to, you didn't compete, you didn't chase, and you didn't collapse under the weight of emotion. That's what makes her question what she lost. That's what makes her feel like maybe, just maybe, you've outgrown her. And that hits differently because you're no longer trying to get her attention. You're just no longer emotionally available to her chaos. And that's what scares her most. Not the fact that you're not talking, but that you've mastered the art of responding with stillness, not storms. That level of control, of emotional elegance, is what leaves an impression, not because it's performative, but because it's real. You've stopped playing the game. You're not weaponizing silence, you're choosing peace. You're not retaliating, you're releasing. And this isn't about pretending to be fine, it's about actually being fine. Because you've taken your power back where it belongs, within. And in that moment she realizes she can't manipulate calm. She can't argue with peace. And she can't shake a man who's already centered in himself. You think ignoring her will make her miss you? You think going silent is enough to leave a mark? Let me tell you what actually hurts her more than your absence, the fear of being replaced. That's what keeps her up at night, not that you're gone, but that someone else might be stepping into the place she thought she'd always hold. And when she feels that, really feels it, it hits far deeper than no contact ever could. A woman doesn't just want your time. She wants your focus, your energy, your emotional investment. And when she starts to sense that all of that is being redirected to something or someone else, that's when the panic sets in. That's when she goes from indifferent to insecure. Not because you're ignoring her, but because she no longer feels special. She no longer feels irreplaceable. And that's the very identity she built in your life. But here's the key. Replacing her doesn't mean jumping into another relationship. It doesn't mean faking a new fling or putting on a show. It means replacing the emotional space she used to occupy. Maybe it's your goals now. Maybe it's your business, your fitness, your passion, or simply your peace. When she sees that what once consumed you has now been redirected into something that actually builds you, that's the kind of replacement that burns. You don't need to flaunt it. You don't need to post it for her to see. The universe has a funny way of delivering your glow up right to her doorstep. Mutual friends, social circles, random glimpses online, trust me, she'll hear about it. And when she does, it won't be your silence that stings. It'll be the realization that you've evolved in ways she didn't think you could without her. That's when it hits her, that she's not missed, she's forgotten. That while she was playing games, you were leveling up. That while she was withholding affection, you were rebuilding your confidence. And that maybe, just maybe, she overplayed her hand. And here's the twist. When she tries to circle back, it's not you who's cold, it's you who's focused. Not bitter, just better. Not rude, just unavailable. That energy shift, that silent signal that she no longer holds the power she once did, that's what brings regret. That's what forces her to confront the truth. You didn't disappear, you replaced her. And when she feels that emotional vacancy, the space she once owned, now occupied by your own growth, your own priorities, and possibly someone who values you differently, that's when she realizes she lost more than just your attention. She lost her position. She doesn't regret losing you the moment you walk away. She regrets it the moment she sees who you've become after she left. That's the truth most men never realize. You want to make her feel it? You want to leave a mark that no contact never could? Then stop focusing on what she's doing and start becoming the version of you that doesn't need her at all. Your glow up isn't just revenge, it's revelation. It's the wake-up call she never expected. Because while she may not flinch at your silence, she notices your transformation. She feels it when you show up looking sharper, sounding stronger, moving with more clarity and direction. She sees the weight you've shed, emotionally, mentally, even physically. You're smiling more. You're talking less. You're not trying to prove anything, but somehow you're everything she never thought you'd be without her. And here's the part that really shakes her. It's not that you've changed. It's how fast you did. It's the realization that the man she thought needed her to feel whole never really needed her at all. That what she thought was your weakness was just your loyalty, and now that loyalty has been rerouted inward towards yourself, your dreams, your purpose. That shift, that silent evolution, that's what triggers her regret. See, most people expect breakups to break you. She expected you to spiral, to stay stuck, to sit in silence hoping for closure. But instead, you got better. You found rhythm. You upgraded your lifestyle. And you didn't do it to win her back. You did it because you remembered who you were before her and decided to become more. The glow up isn't about being flashy. It's not about showing off. It's about radiating a version of yourself that feels unstoppable. You walk different, talk different, think different, and even if she doesn't say a word, she sees it. She might smile at your story. She might act unbothered, but trust me, she's watching. And it's not the outfit or the car or the gym progress that hits her the hardest. It's the peace in your eyes, the discipline in your voice, the fact that she's no longer the center of your emotional world. You're no longer orbiting her. You've become your own gravitational pull. And whether she admits it or not, that energy is unforgettable, because now she's looking at the man she always wished you were when she no longer has access to him. And that realization doesn't just sting, it stays. She doesn't break when you go quiet. She breaks when you stop caring. And there's a massive difference. You want to hit her harder than any silence ever could? Then reach the point where her name, her games, her presence or absence doesn't move you anymore. That's not cold, it's clarity. That's not revenge, it's release. And the moment she realizes you've become emotionally indifferent, that's when it hits her. Because emotional indifference is the deepest cut. It tells her everything without you saying a single word. It says you no longer have space in me. It says your access has expired. And the crazy part? She was ready for your anger. She was prepared for your sulking, the outbursts, the midnight messages, the emotional tug-of-war. But what she wasn't prepared for was your peace. There's something haunting about realizing you no longer matter to someone who once centered their world around you. When she texts and you don't jump. When she throws bait and you don't bite. When she posts something and you don't even look. That silence, it's not quiet anymore. It's loud. It echoes. It forces her to feel all the emotions she tried to avoid. Regret, doubt, disbelief. And she'll wonder, how did he get here so fast? But you didn't get there overnight. You got there through disappointment, through reflection, through all the moments where you begged for clarity and got confusion, through every time you showed up and she didn't. Eventually, something inside you flipped, not out of hate, but from understanding. You understood your value, you understood your limits, and you understood that peace is louder than pain. Now she's the one scrolling through your life. She's the one checking if you've moved on, but nothing about you gives her clues anymore. You're unreadable, calm, focused. You're not hiding, just unreachable. And the part that drives her crazy, you're not trying to prove anything. You're just Done. Not angry, not hurt, just unavailable. That emotional indifference is what shakes her, because deep down, she thought she could always get back in, that there'd always be a weak spot, a soft place, a door slightly open. But now, she sees that door's been closed, locked, and you're not even standing on the other side anymore. You've walked away, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. And that kind of goodbye, that's the one that hurts the most. So no, you don't have to delete her, block her, or make a scene. You just have to stop needing her. Stop reacting, stop waiting, and when you finally get to that place where she means nothing more than a memory you've outgrown, she'll feel it in a way silence never could.